Welcome to my videos. So guys, when you go to buy anything, have you seen made in Canada labels? But I'm going to discuss in this video why made in Canada doesn't always mean what you think. So when you see a label that says made in Canada, what do you assume? Most people think the product was fully produced, sourced and manufactured in Canada, but the reality is more complicated. Let's break it down. In Canada, labeling rules allow companies to use made in Canada even if a significant portion of the product component come from other countries. You heard it correct. In many cases, as long as the final assembly or processing happens in Canada and a certain percentage of costs are incurred locally, it can carry that label. So what does it mean to you? It means that a product label made in Canada might still rely heavily on imported materials from other countries. For example, a food product could use ingredients sourced globally but packaged in Canada. Or a manufactured item might have parts made overseas but assembled locally. There's also another label that you see, product of Canada. This one is stricter. It generally means that vast majority of ingredients or components are Canadian. But here's the catch. Most consumers don't know the difference and companies know that. So they use the word strategically because made in Canada sounds strong, trustworthy and patriotic, especially in today's world. This doesn't mean companies are doing something illegal, not at all. They're following the rules. But it does mean that as consumers, we need to be aware. We need to know what we are buying. If supporting local production is important to you and it's your goal, it's worth checking beyond the label. Check where ingredients come from. Look at the company's transparency. Because in today's global economy, very few products are 100% local, and it's not just about Canada. So next time you see made in Canada, don't just assume. Pause, look deeper, investigate. You have AI, use it. Because sometimes what it means is not what you think. So that is what I wanted to discuss, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.